Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to see posts you have liked on Instagram. If you're using Instagram and you want to see your liked posts, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app and here just go to your profile by tapping on the profile option. And here just tap on three horizontal lines in the top right. Now from here you just have to select your activity option. And here just select likes and you'll get the page. Here you can see all of your liked sports. Here the option of all dates, you can filter by dates, or you can also select the sort by newest to oldest or oldest to newest, or there are different options. There's a content type, there's a post, reels, and also threads you can apply. So from here you can easily select or you can easily see all of your seen posts on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.